Unit 4, Lesson 1. The Wrong Hat. At the end of this lesson, learners should be able to comprehend the story about the wrong hat, answer some comprehension questions while listening to the story. First of all, let's introduce our new vocab. Look at this picture, listen and repeat.
Hat.
Again,
Hat.
hat. Again, yes, hat. This word is a noun. Write it down. Okay, finished? Hat means a piece of clothing that you wear on your head. Number 2. Listen and repeat.
Quickly.
Again,
Quickly.
very good. Write the word quickly. Quickly means at a fast rate. Next, look at this picture carefully. Now repeat.
Confused.
Confused again.
Confused.
Yes, write this word confused. It means unable to understand or think clearly what someone is saying or what is happening. Look carefully at this picture and repeat.
Rehearsal.
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 Rehearsal? Yes. A time when all the people in a play, concert, practice before a public performance. Look at this picture. Repeat.
Trouble.
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 Yes. And it's actually a noun. It means problem or difficulty. Okay? Look at this picture. Listen and repeat.
Silly.
Again.
Silly.
Good. This is the word, silly. It means stupid in a childish or embarrassing way. Now, this is our lesson. The lesson is about the wrong hat. Okay? Before you read, look at the pictures on page 28. Also look at the title of the story and answer these two questions. Question number 1, where does the story take place? Where does the story take place? Yes, can you give me the answer? Well done. In the school. Question number 2, what do you think the story will be about? What do you think the story will be about? Yes, good, Robin Hood. Now, you are going to listen to the story and answer these questions. Listen and read the story, answer the questions. Remember, you are going to listen and read this story, The Wrong Hat. Look at your books and follow while you are listening. Okay? Listen carefully.
Unit 4 4.1 The Wrong Hat.
Bobby and George are practicing for their school play. Their teacher, Mrs. Russell, is helping them to learn their lines.
I'm Robin Hood. Give me your money.
Mrs. Russell, Bobby is wearing my red hat. Robin Hood always wears a green hat.
It doesn't matter, George. Just say your lines.
But Robin Hood always wears a green hat. Everybody knows that.
Oh, all right then. Bobby, give George his red hat and you put on the green one. Quickly, now.
It isn't George's red hat, it's Alan's.
I am confused and this is going so slowly.
The head teacher walks quickly into the hall.
Hello, Mrs. Russell. How is this rehearsal going? Very well, thank you. Good. Robin Hood is wearing the wrong colour hat. He always wears a green hat. Yes, yes. These things are important, you know.
At break time, Mrs. Russell is talking to another teacher, Mrs. Smith.
Hello, Janet. How is the school play going? Very slowly. Those boys, Bobby and George, are so much trouble.
Later that day, the children are rehearsing again.
Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo.
Bobby, why are you making that silly noise? In the story, you are riding a horse.
Yes, but I don't know how to make a horse noise, so I'm making a train noise instead.
Okay, now after listening, as I said, you are expected to answer these questions. Answer the questions. Question number 1. Look at the people's names on the left side of page 28. How many people speak in the story? You know how many? Yes? Very good. 5 people. Question number 2. What are their names? We have 5 people. We need to write their names here. Can you tell me? Yes, very good. Bobby, George, Mrs. Russell, head teacher, and Mrs. Smith. Now, question number 3. Find a word at the beginning of the story that means rehearsing. I need one word which means rehearsing. Yes, very good. Practicing. The same meaning like rehearsing. Question number 4. What is Mrs. Russell's first name? We need her first name. Can you give me the first name of Mrs. Russell? Okay, let's see. Can you? Well done. Janet. The last question. Why does Bobby make a noise like a train? Why does Bobby make a noise like a train? Can you give me the answer? Well done. Because he can't make a horse noise. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.